Hey guys, what is happening? Scott from Civic Edge Lifestyle here, and welcome to today's video. In today's video, I am doing a video about day 3 of my OSP journey in the last few days. First of all, check out the description in the comments section. There you'll find a link to join my team on OSP, which will actually include some bonuses to you when you sign up. All you have to do is go through the link, sign up, and then when you get signed up into the actual system, which is $7, you will actually end up getting my bonuses. I've got a couple of different bonuses for everyone, as well as one of them is a resource page to my top traffic sources that I'm using to actually promote the OSP system right now. There are some free methods in there and things like that. So if you're interested in that sort of stuff and you would like to get in on my bonuses, then feel free to sign up. You can also join the Olsp system for free, just to kind of poke around, check things out at first. To do that, you just sign up again through that link, and you can start right here on step 1. If you go into step 1 and complete it, you'll actually, if you just scroll down a bit here and go into complete step 1, you will actually end up going to the Facebook group, which I always direct people to the Facebook group when they first sign up. Just if they're not ready to get into the full system yet, I encourage them to join and check out the Facebook group at least, to see what we're about and to see the success that everyone's having with this system. And I can honestly say that I've had a lot of success since going through, in the last little while. I've been going through and um, promoting it a lot more. So again, if you guys join my team though, and you do end up getting into the actual OSP system and you complete step 2 as well, you will get my bonuses. I will send them to you, like, as I always check every day. And when I do see that you signed up and you got into the system and everything, I send you an email because I see all that in my back office. You guys can figure out something too if you want to do something similar for your teammates. It's something that I'm doing for my teammates just so that people have an extra boost and they can learn how I'm also advertising the OSP system and learn how I'm using it. Um, so, yep, we'll get into the video in just one more second, but one more announcement. Check for the link as well. I've got some a blog website where I do reviews, and I also do educational blogs. I do reviews on various different affiliate programs and things like that, but I also do some blogs, some educational blogs of my own, where I teach about affiliate marketing, about passive income, things like that, things that will help you online and kind of get the cogwheels turning a little bit and make you understand the industry a little bit better. So that's something else I'm doing. All right, so let's get into the video. So in the last, I'm going to say in the past week, I've, as you can see right up here, I'm just going to quickly draw it. You can see right here. Oh, why is that? That's different. Huh. I don't like that. They switched my color for some reason. I used to have red. So there's my commissions after the past week. You'll remember when I did the video 3 days ago, I was already at 28, I think it was. Just give me one quick second to double check that. All right, sorry about that, guys. So yeah, I went and double checked, and I was at $28 when I did the video the other day. I've now since then gone up to $63.50, which is actually enough for a withdrawal. I am also 10th place in the monthly contest, which I'll get to in a few minutes, and I'll explain that. The monthly contest is basically a cash prize contest, and so far I've gone to 10th. I've also, in the last day, ended up getting 60 leads to my system. So I've actually ended up getting 60 leads. I actually just got one more, as you can see here. And I actually went back and checked because I remember the other day in the video I said that um, when I joined the OSP system a long time ago, and I wasn't really, I ended up leaving because stupid me, I wasn't really doing enough to make it work. And now I am. I've got, I've been offering it because now I have a lot more traffic sources and things like that. When I first started with it was very, I went and looked back at the video and I noticed that the monthly contest is something new. The monthly contest wasn't there, and they actually switched the website around quite a bit, and I couldn't remember for sure, but I was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure that they did switch some things and change things. So the OSP system is way better now. Um, but like I said, they got this monthly contest. Now, if you don't know what the monthly contest is, and you still, I mean, you've seen the OSP around, but you're not quite sure if you want to join or not. Like I said, it is a very good system, but this monthly contest is pretty awesome. So what they do is you'll notice here you've got like actually they added some tasks today. You've got these tasks, and what you do is you simply come in and you can complete these tasks. You'll get some extra points. There's some that are worth 50 points. There's some that are worth 10. There's some that are worth 5. And then you also have your daily points, which you can get if you log in every day, you get 2 points. If you get a new lead, you get 3 points. Every sale counts as 50. So you can already imagine, like, I've gone 9 times 50 points this week. And then, of course, if you make another purchase inside the system, like you decide to get the magic link or any of the things like that, I do recommend the magic link because the first time I had OSP, I did get the magic link. You get paid basically to build your own list. Only OSP traffic counts though. So if you go up here, oh, sorry, it's not here on this page. If you go back to dashboard and you check out, oh, sorry, it's right here. So buy traffic, which is right there. I'm going to get rid of this again because I hate that pop-up. It keeps coming up. Anyway, so you can buy traffic there to your magic link. There's training on it. It does work though. When the traffic comes in, you get money for that. And they've added stuff to the magic link too. I was noticing something to do with like comments and stuff like that. I don't understand it all. I didn't go into the new magic link yet, but it is pretty lucrative. And then when you are doing the magic link, like when you're following the training and everything, and you're giving the link, like the magic link, to your list subscribers, what happens is they click on the magic link, and every time they click, it changes the offer. So what happens is every day they'll see a new offer, and if they're not interested in one, they might be interested in the other. And these are offers that Wayne Crow, who owns the OSP system, has put together, vetted everything. They work. um, and he gives you some done for you emails and stuff like that. So all you have to do is send the emails every day, and when they buy, you get the commission from that. And also, I think when they click, I'm pretty sure. So when they click on your magic link, you also get another commission as well. So you get when they first sign up to your list, and then you get the commission after that um, for them clicking any other time in your email list. And then on top of that, you get the commissions when they buy a product. So it's pretty lucrative, pretty cool. So if you go and get that, for instance, though, you would get 20 points for getting the magic link. So any of these things, like, or sorry, not these things, sorry, these are what you get with the mega link, which is completely different to the magic link. So don't get confused, because I got confused when I first joined. You'll go to discover more, which is right here, and you will see all the other products. If you're just starting out, though, I would suggest just getting, excuse me, I would just suggest getting the mega link, um, because you don't want to overload yourself with too much. See if the system's good for you or not. Again, like I said earlier, you can join for free and check out the Facebook group if you just want to poke around a little bit, see what we're about and all that. But anyway, so that's part of um, the contest. Now, the other cool lucrative thing about the contest is when you come into this page. Sometimes during the month there will be a sales contest, and what happens is you'll get some done for you emails to promote the sales contest. This is actually how I've ended up in 10th place. Like, I've ended up in 10th place, obviously, from getting leads and sales and things like that. But I've also ended up in 10th place because I actually got one of the awards for the sales contest, which gives you extra points. I believe for me it was like 7,000 or 8,000 points. I don't remember exactly. I think I got like third or fourth place or something in the contest. It was pretty cool. So that's like an extra contest, but it's like a point contest. So it gives you points towards your monthly total. Um, so just keep that in mind. You do want to check out this when you do get in, because the contest will keep you moving towards your goal. Now, so yeah, I've gone 112 leads. I'd show you guys the leads, but unfortunately, when I go into the leads tab, they actually end up they show the person's email, and I don't want to show people's emails. I can't even go into the commission tab because, again, it shows the people's emails that I've gotten commissions from. But it's pretty cool. Now, what was cool this morning is that I logged into my system and I was still at $49. I had not gone any sales overnight, but I was like, okay, whatever, cool. I went and did a few of my things this morning, and then I logged off, and I was like, okay. I left it for the whole day until about 2 o'clock ish, and I came back and I had 2 sales, and it was like, so it was pretty amazing. Some of this has been from my own personal list. Some of this has been from other little, or it's been from other traffic sources that I have. Um, which are included in that traffic resource page that I'm talking about, that you will get when you sign up to the Olsp system through my link. You have to sign up though, and then complete step 2 in order to get your bonuses. I've also got some other bonuses. I've got some reports. I've also got like a little 30-day challenge report. It gives you 30 days worth of challenges that you must complete, and it's like a little checklist slash report, little fun thing that I put together for people so that you can keep going towards your goal of making this work. And it will also give you tips and tricks on how to do that stuff, and other things like that. So I've made that cool report, or sorry, reports. There's actually quite a few. There's some other little things like how to get traffic. There's another thing about curing something called imposter syndrome. Yeah, it's actually pretty cool. Imposter syndrome is basically like, I believe it's like the fear of selling and stuff like that. The things that block your mind from being able to go out and find the leads for things like this. So I just wanted to quickly do a video to touch base with you guys and show you at day 3, I've gone up to $63.50. I've ended up in 10th place so far, and I'm now at 10,000 points, 10,117. And like I said, I got another new lead just before I started the video. It was funny because I logged into the system again to get ready to do my video, and I didn't have a lead. And then I went and clicked off the page for a minute, and I was setting up my video and like setting up everything on my YouTube and stuff for it. And then I come back and there was a lead. So, I mean, that shows you that the system is working passively. I don't have, like, I literally was setting up my YouTube and I got another lead coming in. It's pretty amazing. I love the system. Like I said, I've been working on it pretty hard the last few days, and this is what I've achieved through working on it hard and promoting it. Now I can guarantee there is a Facebook method that you can learn here, which is Facebook 101. And then they also have the 24-hour start right here, the 24-hour challenge. So you get training like that with the mega link. You get 500 done for you reels for like Instagram and things like that. You get 2,000 Facebook posts, which boosts engagement on your own Facebook for the Facebook strategy. You also get the mega link fast start pack, the Olsp user guide, stuff like that. Comment Dominator is another thing that you can earn money with. Whenever Wayne posts something or one of the members posts something and they put it towards the comment Dominator for everyone else, you earn 25 cents per comment, as long as it's relatable to the post. You can't get 25 cents if you write something like "Have a great day" and it's on a post that is talking about something completely different. You can't just write "Have a great day." You've got to write something that's, even if you don't know about it, say I'm interested in learning more or something that pertains to whatever it is, and you'll get 25 cents per comment. And then you will also get, of course, your commissions for promoting the Olsp system. They also have like a little webinar you can go to figure out more ideas and stuff. They also have live trainings Tuesdays and Saturdays, I believe. I believe it's Tuesdays and Saturdays. Don't quote me on that one because I don't know the exact schedule. But I do know that today they did have a webinar, and they had one on Tuesday as well. And then the replay stays up for about 3 days, and then the next webinar comes in. So guys, join the system. It is very lucrative. If you want to find out how I'm doing things, like I said, complete step 2, I will hand you my bonuses. I have an extra bonus inside the traffic resource page too that I didn't really talk about, but that extra bonus is at the very start when you open up the resource page. If you have any questions about that, you can reach out to me. If you have any questions about the system as a whole, you'll notice that your referrer stuff is up in the corner there. That's where you can come to me personally. I do put my personal email in there, so you can reach out to me at my personal email. I didn't put my business email there for the simple reason that I didn't want people to have to message my business account, which I do not open after a certain time at night. I do not go into my business account and email people back, simply because when I'm on my own personal time, I want nothing to do with my business. It's just the way I go and retract myself from the day. It's something I've got to do, or I'll burn myself out by going and like, oh, I need to message my client back. No. Like, they know that I have business times. They know that I'm a certain time at night, my support is closed and stuff like that. But I put my own personal Facebook and my own personal email there so that you guys can reach out to me and get answers quick if you have any questions. The Facebook group is also there for you to get help on. The people in there are very knowledgeable. They've already started where you are if you're starting out with this. And the support is also very lucrative. I love dealing with Wayne and his staff. They are amazing people. They do hard work and amazing stuff. So you guys have a great day. Have a great weekend. Make sure you check out the Olsp system. I love it. And like I said, when you complete step 2, you will get the bonuses. I will send them to you as soon as I see that you've completed step 2, and I'll send those bonuses to you so that my team gets boosted. Maybe you guys can have a shot at the contest with my traffic sources and whatnot. It's something I want to do for my own team. I'm basically the team leader. I'm trying to help my team succeed as much as possible. And everyone works together in the Facebook group, so don't think that everyone's out for blood or anything like that. No. We are all pretty good people. We do, work with each other, not against. It's professional, it's great, and you guys will love it. And I'm sure that anyone who wants to make an income online can make this work as long as they put in the work that's needed. So you guys have a great day, and cheers.